All right, when we clean up today, you always take care of your clay project first. So what you're going to do is take out your wooden board, and I'm giving you a wet rag. Open the rag up, and you always set your clay on top of the wet rag. Then you fold the rag over the top of your clay. Then you're going to pick up the entire board, and you're going to stick that whole clay board to the bottom of your plastic bag, and then you just push the air out and fold all the extra bag underneath the board. Then you're going to take your drawing and your project, and you're going to go set that on your shelf where your name tag is, and then you're going to come back to your table and you're going to help clean all the tools. So the red rags in your table buckets are for cleaning. We only use these at the end of class, and that's the easiest tool to use to get these rolling pins clean. Your rolling pins have to be white. You could wipe off the guide sticks. Then you need to stack all the tools with the knives pointing down in the yogurt cup. Then your bucket should be nice and organized like it was at the start of class. Then the last thing you do is you take the scraper tool and you scrape all the crumbs off your table onto the floor. I sweep my floors at the end of the day. So the tabletop should not have any dried clay crumb pieces on it. Then you're going to raise your hand, showing me that you're ready for me to check your table. We do not wash hands until I dismiss you, a table at a time, when I see your projects are put away and your tools are cleaned up.